One blaze one more fire on the recent social media outburst by some of Jamaica's biggest cricket stars, led by Chris Gayle, and then joined by Andre Russell, and then the icon Marlon Samuels. Me not lie, me lose off of the big cricket stardom. To be washing all of this dirty linen in public, I don't think big, successful professionals should act like this unless they're in the attention-seeking business. As big people who know each other personally, especially if there's a dispute, deal with it like adults, face to face, or if, as in this case, they live in different countries, a personal phone call or two will do. Take up the phone and say, yo, brother, and that's how we live. XYZ, lay the cards on the table and settle on the business like big man. And if any of the parties involved cannot deal with the truth, that means the friendship never real. Argument done right there, so. This bag of public lashing and belly carrying is unbecoming for people who have been so good and successful at what they do. And this thing about respect, it cuts both ways. You have to give respect to get respect. And how you measure respect anyway? As a sports performer, you get your respect when you perform and the fans show appreciation. And when your salary reach your bank account. Otherwise, as a professional, you just have to deal with the ups and downs and the highs and lows of the life of a professional sportsman. Simple. Respect.